Hello friends, this is Chalpesh here and welcome again to my channel Code with JV. I am creating a new series about the C# 10 features called What's New in C# 10. So this will be a part 2. So in this video we are going to see null parameter check improvements in C# 10. So agenda for this particular video will be, first we are going to check how the null will be handled in the earlier versions of C#, and then we are going to see what are the new improvements there in this particular C# 10 version. Without wasting time, let's directly jump into the Visual Studio Code itself. So here you can see like this is a pretty standard .NET 6 C# console application. So I am going to remove this and then I am going to create a hello world string, and then I am going to create a print method. So what I am going to do is print hello world, and then I am going to pass this hello world. Right now it will give me a filigree there. So what I can do is generate the method. Okay, it has created that, and now I am going to remove this, and then I can write this console.writeLine, and I can print this, and then I can read the console.readLine. It seems all good. So let's run this app and see like whether it's printing hello or not. Okay, it's printing now. So till now all good. Okay, now what I want to do is, like here you can see like we have passed the nullable, right? So we can pass null also there. So instead of hello I am going to pass null there, and I am going to make this also nullable. So we can check there. In the earlier version of C#, how we were doing is equal to null, then we were doing something like this: throw new argument null exception and name of hello. And now let's run this, and it should throw the null argument reference exception. Okay, so value cannot be null and parameter is hello. So this was there before C# 7. So with C# 7 and the other versions, what we can do is we can directly check the null instead of comparing it with, and we can run this. So it will again give us the same thing there. So here for this we need to write like 4 lines of code. So instead of that, what we can do is argument null exception throw if null, and here we can pass the hello world, and we can pass the name of hello world. This is the C# 10 improvement there. So now we can check whether it's null, and then it will always throw this argument null exception. So let's run this app and see what happens. So same thing is happening. So this saves like 4 lines of code. Earlier we need to write if and everything. Now with this, like it will improve your code readability and also saves the number of code lines. So this was the improvement there. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then please do subscribe to my channel that is called Code with JV, and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you soon.